Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2022 Mercedes-Benz G550. This SUV came with a clean carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the SUV to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Perfect. Let's take a look at the hood of the car. Excellent. I'm not seeing any paint chips or scratches here at all. Let's move on to the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the driver's side doors. The front and back door look very good. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches on them at all. Let's take a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the back of the SUV. Okay, the spare cover looks fine. I'm not seeing any scratches on it. The back bumper and trunk are in excellent condition. They have no scratches at all. Let's take a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side doors. The front and back door here are perfect. No dents, no scratches on either door. Now the last fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect. No dents, no scratches on it nowhere, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this SUV is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. And we're going to start with the driver's seat. The seat looks very good. I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all. Let's take a look at the door panel. Perfect. Now let's take a look now at the back seat. Okay, I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side. Okay, this front seat looks really good. Let's take a look at the door panel. Perfect. Now let's move on to the back seat. Excellent. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now that I'm inside, let's have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Everything here looks perfect. I'm not seeing anything wrong at all. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. Perfect. The steering wheel looks excellent. So the interior of this SUV is in perfect condition. Now we're going to take a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.